This tutorial is designed to help you make amendments and add new email templates to your system. In the top right hand corner of your screen is the Setup tab. Click on this and it will take you through to the customization page. Here on the template section there's an option for email templates. Click and highlight this section. Here you'll have a list of all of the email templates that have already been created for you. So I'm going to show you how to make amendments to the existing email templates and also create new email templates for the system. So one of the most important things to remember about email templates is that they're set up depending on what record type you're going to be sending them from. So that will mainly be broken down into three main areas: leads, accounts and contacts. So every time you create an email template you have to create it and make it relevant to each module. This means that when you're in the leads section, when you're in the leads module of the system, you'll only be able to send the emails that have been created for that record type, and the same goes for accounts and contacts. So what we're going to do is select to edit one of the email templates that's already been created for the record type accounts. So here we can see the template name at the top. We can see that it's a public email template, which means that everybody who's logged into the system will be able to access this template. We can see which email address it's coming from, and there's a drop down menu here so that we could choose different options and send it from whoever it's relevant to. And then there's the subject. The subject is what is going to be displayed as a subject title to whoever receives the email. So it's very important that this section is client friendly. You can also add specific fields in here to make it relevant to whoever's going to be reading the email. So in this case the merge fields are down here, so we can select any of the account details based on what's included in that module. Okay, so for this one we're going to include the account name. So all we do now is select the merge field that becomes available under account name, Control C or copy, and then we can include that, press paste into the subject. So anytime an email gets sent with this email template, the account name gets included in the subject template. So you're free to play around with that and amend the subject title to whatever you would like it to be. The reply to section, you can add in an email address if you specifically want it to go to a different email account in the company. Tick the box to include the user signature, which has been pre-programmed for you. And there's also an option for you to attach documents to go with the email as well. So down to the body of the email, again in this example we've used the account name so that when the email is sent, that merge field will be included in the email automatically to always make it a personalised email. So all of the information is the same as what you sent me in the email template, and please feel free to make any amendments to that. Just as if you are using a Word document, there's plenty of options for you at the top here for you to reformat and include pictures, add links into the document to refer people back through to your website. You can even include tables and all sorts of things, whatever you like in your email. So the footer, that will be included automatically depending on what we've agreed. And then there's an option for you to preview the email as well, so you can see what it will look like when it's sent out to the client. And then just press save and update. Now we're going to create a new email template from scratch to show you what you need to do to build it. So as I explained earlier, it's very important that you select the record type. This then allows you to include the field modules that are relevant to that section. So we're going to send an email through to the leads section and we're going to call it introduction email. Okay, so we're going to store that under public email templates, which means that everybody can use that from the system. And it's going to be coming from the general Style Plantation email address. And we're just going to call it introduction to Style Plantation range. Okay, so then we can include the email address or not, depending on where we want that to be returned to. Use a signature, and then we can also select the brochure that we have saved, or quotes, or whatever we need to attach to that specific email. And then from the available merge fields, we're just going to scroll down and request the leads merge field. And this will give us all of the available options of all the merge fields that are included in the client record, and that includes all of the product details and details about the job. So if you want to confirm any of those details in writing, they're available for you. So we're just going to select the first name of the lead contact, copy this, and then paste. And now all you do is just include all of the details of the email that you'd like to be sent out, and then use any of the additional merge fields to make it a personalized email to be sent out to specific clients to confirm specific details. Click Save. Okay, so the important thing to remember is that all of the details that are going out to leads is all of the confirmation emails that you send out before a client before a lead turns into a client. So until they get up to the point of accepting the quote and making payment, they're still a lead. Once they've converted, they then become an account with related contacts to that account, and that's when you'll be taking additional payment information, confirming final payments, etc. You can also create a template folder as well, so that you can subsection all of your emails. So you could have all of your fitting emails, or all of your sales emails, or all of your payment emails in different folders. Depends how you want to do it. There's plenty of different options, and you can create as many different emails as you want and go in and edit or delete them at any time. Thanks very much.